Hello everyone. In this video, we'll look at the databases for engineering research on Dialog. Historically, Dialog was created in the 1960s at a large aircraft company to develop new aerospace technology for the space program. Today, Dialog's content spans many other areas, but Dialog's roots in engineering are still reflected in the excellent selection of databases that Dialog offers for engineers. So let's get started. The quickest and easiest way to select databases for engineering would be to click on one of the content collections, either from the advanced search screen or here in basic search. There's a general engineering collection called Engineering and Technology, there's a collection for automotive research, and there's telecommunications and computing. By clicking on any of these, you'll be searching in that group, and the basic search screen will also show you a nice thumbnail description of each database in that collection. Notice that some of these databases have a plus sign, which means you can click to see that there are actually multiple databases nested within that one title. Each of the three main engineering collections would give you a far-reaching search and would be a good choice. But let's break them down a little bit into categories so you can make more customized selections if you want to. Each of these groups includes two key engineering databases called Inspec and Compendex. We'll have separate videos on Inspec and Compendex, especially Inspec because it has some special search features. But here's a summary. Inspec and Compendex both have wide coverage of engineering subjects, and both are very well indexed for effective searching. So Inspec and Compendex work very well together to provide a strong base for your engineering search. To supplement these two foundational resources, Dialog also has databases focused on specific topics or areas of engineering. These slides show a few of those subject areas and some of the best databases you can select for your research in these specialties. Another type of database that you'll find in Dialog's engineering content collections are some that cross over multiple areas of science and technology, including engineering and more. And these can add greater coverage to your research. SciSearch, for example, is specially indexed to help you find articles that cite to a particular source or article of interest, so you can quickly build out a wider body of knowledge starting with only one article. But SciSearch is also a great source for general research across many scientific areas, including engineering. And finally, each of the engineering content collections includes some databases that are not hard engineering databases, but rather business or news-oriented. But they have many articles on businesses and industries that work in engineering and technology fields, and their coverage of the technical aspects and new developments in these areas can be very in-depth and up-to-date, making them a valuable addition to your search. Some of the key business databases are ABI Inform, which is a mostly full-text database, and the Gale Group databases, as well as ProQuest Newsstand Professional. So that's it. To review, when researching any kind of engineering topic, you really can't go wrong with using both Inspec and Compendex, which have great coverage and quality across all of engineering. And you can greatly enhance your search by including other databases that are specific to your search topic. There are also a number of databases such as SciSearch and Current Contents that have strong engineering coverage along with other scientific areas. And finally, there are business and news databases which contain valuable information about developments in engineering and technology, so I would encourage you to consider those as well to get the best possible results when you do engineering searches on Dialog. If you'd like more information, here are some links to additional resources, And if you have any questions or would like some help, please feel free to call us at these numbers or email us at customer@dialog.com. Thanks for using Dialog, and enjoy the rest of your day.